I'm going to show you how to combine text that's in multiple columns into one cell. So it's a formula. We'll type an equal sign, then we'll point to the first cell we want. And the way we add text together is we use the ampersand symbol. That's known as a concatenation symbol. Then any kind of punctuation we want has to be enclosed in quotes. So we'll do quote, space, quote. We'll do another ampersand, and then we'll point over to the last name. And when I hit return, it's combined those names. Now, what if we want the last name, comma, space, first name? Well, all we have to do is write another formula. We'll do equal, we'll point to the last name, we'll use that concatenation character, we'll do quote, comma, space, quote, another concatenation, and then we'll point over to the first name. When I hit return, it combines the last name and the first name. And if you'd like to copy these, select those two cells, move on to that little green square, double click, and you've copied the formula all the way down.